Welcome to Link Classroom. This video aims to help teachers build a curriculum for any course. After you enter the class, click on the Add Section button, then enter the section or topic name and description, and then click Save to create the new section. After adding a section, you can include various types of content in it, such as live or recorded lectures, assignments, quizzes, YouTube videos, and media files. To schedule a live lecture, enter the title, date, time, and description, and then click Done. To add a recorded lecture, enter the topic and associated details. Then, upload the video along with any relevant reference material and click Publish. To add an assignment, you may either choose from existing assignments or create a new one and add it to the curriculum. Likewise, you can add quizzes by either selecting from the existing list or creating a new quiz. You may add various types of files or media, such as PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, videos, and audio files. To add a YouTube video, copy the video link from YouTube and edit the video title as needed. To create a curriculum tailored to your course requirements, you may repeat the steps to include additional sections and course content. Live lectures, assignments, and quizzes created outside the curriculum will appear in the uncategorized section, here. You can easily move content between sections by using drag and drop functionality. By using these features, you can effectively build a curriculum for your course and share it with students for effective teaching and learning experience. Happy teaching!